I'm gonna show you how to fix trading disabled in MetaTrader 5. So to get started, you have to download or open MetaTrader 5. If you don't have one, you just have to download it. And then from there, you just have to select the MetaTrader 5. And then from the upper left pane, you can see all the file when view, insert, and charts. You just have to click on tools, and then right here on the bottom you just have to click on options, or you can just click Control O. So from there you just have to go from there to trade, and then once you're on trade, you just have to click on one-click trading. And then once you read all the necessary terms and condition, you just have to click accept and accept terms and condition, and just have to press OK. And then from there, after you press OK, you need to press OK again. So there you go. Trading should be enabled right now. So that's how to fix trading disabled on MetaTrader 5.